In this video, I'm going to address a question that I got asked recently, and that is, how can I make the regular 2-foot hop more challenging? And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 techniques which you can use. All right, let's get started. The easiest one is to simply spin the rope faster. The faster the rope is being spun, the quicker you're going to have to jump off the ground. Okay, so that's a very easy way to make that jump rope move more intense. Another easy way is to take your jump rope and simply shorten your rope. So let's take about 6 inches off both sides here. And I've been to a lot of boxing clubs, martial arts studios, and some kind of acrobatic studios. And one thing that I noticed there about a lot of the jump ropes is they're often quite short. And the reason for that is it encourages their athletes to use very good footwork. The shorter the rope, that means the rope is going to spin around a lot faster. So you're going to have to stay on the toes and the balls of your feet, and you're going to be jumping a lot faster, a lot more often. As I said, the rope will be coming around faster, as you can see here. So this rope is quite short now, and because it's short, it's coming around quite quickly. And I'm not even spinning the rope that hard fast right now, but the rope is coming around faster. And now I can spin it faster, so I'm jumping quite often. And that's a good technique for forcing you to use good footwork, forcing you to jump faster more often. So those are 2 techniques so far. Another very easy way to make the regular 2-foot hop more challenging is to do it while you are wearing some weights around your wrists. And wrist weights or ankle weights are very cheap, and they come in varying weights. If you jump rope, do the regular 2-foot hop while you wear some wrists or weights around your wrists, that adds some resistance and can make the regular 2-foot hop more challenging, especially for your shoulders. Spinning the rope with weights engages the shoulders a lot. Simply holding your arms out to the side in the regular jump rope position like this becomes more tiring because gravity and the weight is forcing your arms down. Another way to make the regular 2-foot hop more challenging is to invest in a heavy rope. I don't have a heavy rope here at home, but one of the martial arts clubs that I go to, they do have heavy ropes. And a lot of beginners and even advanced jump ropers find them helpful, not only because they add some weight or resistance when you're jumping rope, but because they help a beginner to time their jumps better. In comparison to a normal jump rope such as this, a heavy rope, as the name suggests, has some weight. So when you're spinning the rope, you can feel the rope a little bit better. You have a better idea when the rope is coming over your head and when it's going to be approaching the ground. So it can really help you time your jumps better, especially when you're learning how to jump rope. Another very easy way to add some resistance, let's say you don't have a heavy rope, but you do have maybe 2 jump ropes at home. You can jump rope with the 2 ropes together.